Welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua. My name's Dave Cox. Today we're going to do a walk around on a Sportsman. It's a KZ Sportsman travel trailer. It's a 2014 model. It has a power tongue jack and a nice power awning. It has newer tires and it has a little slide out here. This is a fiberglass trailer, so it has good insulation. The U-shaped dinette is the slide out part. Has a queen walk around bed with shirt closets on each side. Has a nice stereo here. It's a CD DVD player. It features the Norcold 6 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. There's a nice kitchen area with a little bit of counter space for a coffee maker and toaster, crock pot. Then it has two little bunk beds here. You have a full over a twin bunk bed, and they have a TV back here. This is your bathroom. Has a nice 3-speed fan, nice tub shower, nice sized bathroom for a small camper. This is a 2014 pre-owned camper. So come and see us today at Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua.